TADIRAN AIROW 3 is designed to be implemented in high-wall air conditioning systems. It reduces bacteria, viruses, and mold in the air and improves the air quality in the conditioned space. In this video, we will present the quick installation process in a new uninstalled air conditioner. Open the indoor unit's front panel and remove the air filter. Disassemble the plastic frame of the indoor unit. Insert the DC and AC cables of the power supply through the indoor and outdoor unit's interconnecting cable. Insert the proper installation clips, 5mm or 7mm on both sides of the unit. Mount the TADIRAN AIROW 3 device using the mounting clips onto the indoor unit's coil at the upper right corner of the coil. Connect the plug of the DC cable of the power supply to the TADIRAN AIROW 3 unit. Connect the AC cable to the indoor and outdoor unit's interconnecting cable. Place the safety sticker in a visible and accessible location near the terminal board. Reassemble the plastic frame. Now you can continue with the air conditioner installation. After turning on the air conditioner, the green LED indicator on the TADIRAN AIROW 3 will light up, indicating normal device operation. There are a few safety hazards to consider. Please note that only a qualified and licensed HVAC technician may install this device. The TADIRAN AIROW 3 device and its power supply should be disconnected from any electric supply when touching their surface or inner parts. Note that the device contains metal parts that carry high voltage. Never insert a finger or any other unprotected body part into the device. We have designed this device for a quick and easy installation into any HVAC system. After watching this video, we hope you feel the same. Thank you for watching.